Orlando, oo.
And then you'll go back to the bus and pick me up?
Mm. We waited for the elevator. Bye-bye, Anna.
Upload mo ano? Goto ka ba?
Okay. Kakabalik lang pati niya. Woohoo! Where is my Elise? Hi, Elise! So cute! Lilit! Elise, do you like your new play area? Huh? You're so cute, loves. Oh. Letter D. Where's letter D, anak? Dog. Oh, there. Anong gagawa mo, Lilit? Yeah, not allowed to go there. Not allowed to go muna. Want to stand up. There, oh, anak, there. Don't go under the bed. Uh-oh. Yeah, guys, I have this. First cry orders came na. Yan. In-order ko sa ibang kanang mga sando. Toothpaste niya. Buy one, get one. Ha. Or is mommy storage, breast milk. So, yeah, this one's your new toothpaste. Yeah, here.
Wow.
Yeah. And you have a new dress. Purple one. Yeah, look at this. You will love this one. What else do we have? You have Machi mini. Yeah, nakalabas naman kami. Nagpapainit. Daddy is there. Woohoo! Shawarma, shualo.
Elise, let's wait the shawarma.
Okay, ate, what did Elise say?
He's hungry.
She's hungry. Oh. Where is my Elise? Woohoo! We're going to Calidia Park. Daddy is there with Elise. Lilit, Dada. Ate Bangka. Wihee! Okay po. Okay. Oh, here.
Number 50.
Go, 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 go.
That big tree.
Mm,
Look at that big tree.
which one? Yung kay Elise nga eh, gusto ko isuot eh.
Of course it's a house. I can only have a bike.
Ding ligidong, ligidong, ligidong. Anak Inda, ano? Mama Chona is there. Loves. Hi. Ding ligidong, ligidong, ligidong. Dala niya ang kanyang soccer ball. Dahil siya is sporty for today's video. Sporty. Ang bebe. Dahil pala tita nag-rubber shoes ka. Rubber shoes. Here, bring your bicycle here. Oh, hi Lilith. We will eat shawarma. Oh, you and daddy will play soccer, okay?
Park your car.
Oh, yeah. So, no mawakif. Hey, Dada! Go, Daddy! Ah! Tita, kain na tayo. Habang mainit pa yung shawarma. Kakain nga pala tayo ng shawarma. Shu'al-Nur. Shu'al-Nur. Lahat naman to isa lang. Pare-parehas lang, tita, yan. Woohoo! Elite! Elite! Oh, look at the daddy and the ate. Ate Bangka!
What's this?
Whoa, that's a strong one. Uh-oh. Ha. Woo! You're sweating a lot.
Water, drink more water.
Drink water.
Buy shawarma. Oh, grabe.
Having fun there, love.